So, Blue Yeti USB microphone users, I still see about 1 in 4 of you guys using this microphone wrong. So a lot of Blue Yeti users, because this is a new kind of audio user friendly microphone, you just plug it into your Windows, plug it into your Mac, and it just works. Your phone, your iPad, and it just works. I see a lot of Blue Yeti users pointing it like this toward their mouth. Listen to the way that the microphone sounds when the tip is pointed toward your mouth, okay? This is the way it sounds with the tip pointed towards your mouth. This is not the way this microphone is supposed to be used. So it doesn't pick up your audio directly through the top of the mic when you're in cardioid mode, which is the mode you're using. You're not supposed to talk into it like this. Watch what happens when I transition to using the mic properly and I talk into the front of the mic. Do you hear the massive difference in audio quality between you pointing the tip of the microphone at your mouth like this versus talking into the front of the microphone like this? That is the way you're supposed to use the Blue Yeti USB mic, okay? That was the Blue Yeti USB microphone, my friends. Beautiful.